textbook is only going to teach you so much. There's by the book, and then there's real world. And the best kind of education is a mix of both.
We know how to clean, and we basically can clean anything. But what's going to hurt us, we don't know.
Entering a field where you don't have any experience in it at all, going back to the guys that actually have the days in the field, walk the miles in the furrow, all of these things are very important because they're going to come across things and they're going to know tricks that's going to save you time, and that's money. It's extremely, extremely important to have the expertise of like Jeff Jones.
Years and years of experience, 40-some years, and he's really a pioneer in this industry. So what he has to share is very valuable.
There's book learning and there's actual learning. Now, fortunately, Jeff has got both. A lot of what we get in these classes is, it's just book learning. It's not hands-on. It's not experiential learning, a kinetic kind of a learning. And Jeff provides that, and Lori, they do an incredible job. So being a part of a group like this is extremely important because it gives you not only what you're doing, but why you're doing it.
Well, the level of knowledge they bring, I think it's probably unequaled in this industry in particular with Jeff, for sure.
It is an amazing training. Jeff Jones is an amazing individual and his whole staff, and so it's something that I'm very proud to be a part of.
We need all the people that have the information and the knowledge. We need their knowledge.